In this section, we are going to discuss about the email services and the voice services. Voice services means VoIP, voice over internet protocol. So first we talk about the mail service. Mail, all of us know about mail. We can just a electronic medium where we can send our messages to one person to another. Okay, but how server or what the server is working in this simple mail transfer protocol. It is used for transferring your mails, because when I am sending mail from the Gmail to the Yahoo, then actually there is one server is working which is transferring your mail from one server to another server. And this transferring mail process happened by the SMTP or the simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, so how the process is happened when I am sending the mail to anyone? Because there is two server. One is a local SMTP server, another is a remote SMTP server. Local SMTP server means this is the server from where I want to send the mail. For the example, if I am using the Gmail, then we can consider Gmail is a local SMTP server. And when I am going to send the mail to the Yahoo, then I will consider the Yahoo is a remote server. Means one is our from the mail will be generated and mail will be forwarded. But because we are using some local mail clients means some apps which we are using. Apps means Gmail. I am talking about the Gmail app. All of you have used in a mobile phone Gmail app, and also browser, because you are accessing your email ID or your email account with the help of the browser. Okay, so once you will access your mail client, then you can read your mails, write your mails, delete and manage whatever you want. You can do with your emails. Okay, so how all the things are working, like this is the local email clients, which is actually when I am writing any email and we will click on the send, the mail and the client submit a new message for the delivery to the local SMTP server. Means when I am writing any mail and when I will click on the send, then it will be submitted on the local server by using the port number 587 in the case of the secure, means encrypted channel. Then message will be copied in a folder like inbox. There is a multiple folder, inbox folder, okay, sent folder, outbox folder, okay, multiple folders are there. When your mails will be put in the sent box, first it will be put in a outbox. When the mail delivered on the remote server, then it will be removed. It will be moved in a sent folder. Okay, when we are receiving any mail, it will be displayed in a inbox. This is the simple process. So the process what has happened, when the mail is reached on the local SMTP server, it will find the remote SMTP server and then it will be forwarded. Because generally we are writing the name like anything like vijay@whatever gmail.com. Okay, this is the email address. This is the email address. Here is the @ and this is the domain name, means this is the mail server. MX mail server. Gmail is a mail server. All the user have like this username and the domain name. So when I am sending the mail to the Gmail or the Yahoo or any other SMTP server, then first process happened is a DNS lookup. DNS lookup, all of us know. When we are doing the DNS lookup, there is a MX record. These record we have discussed already. MX record means mail exchange server, listing and any IP address for the remote domain name. Means when I want to send the Yahoo mail to the yahoo.com, so what the process will happen? DNS lookup and find the MX record, then find the IP address and then forward the message to that particular IP address. Because any application without IP address will not work. Got it? Simple. And this is transferring the data over port number 25, running the SMTP server, and 25 port number has a encrypted channel, unsecure channel. Then forward the message. Then again this is moved on the Yahoo, and then Yahoo forward to the remote IMAP. Remote IMAP server means user account, forward into specific user account, into the user account, where we have connected through the client, remote client. Remote client means again web browser, it may be, or any apps, any app, email app, maybe the Thunderbird, maybe the Outlook, or maybe the Gmail app, where the remote user will download their emails and then check the emails over the port number 993. Sending message using the port number 586 and receiving the message port number 93. Means there is a two protocols are working, SMTP secure and IMAP. So what is the IMAP? We will discuss later. So this is the process where we can send the mail and receive the mail. So let's talk about the mail delivery server to server. Server to server mail delivery happened with the SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. There is a one MX record. MX record is a mail server record. Got it? And how you can find out this? Simply open the CMD, and inside the CMD, do you remember the command? NS lookup and hyphen type is equal to MX, and then give any name, whatever name you want you can give. Then you will find the here is the mail server. This is the mail server which is going to exchange the mails. Similar, if I want to get the emails of the gmail.com, so we will get gmail.com. These are the mail server available for the Gmail. Okay, similar you can see any email server, Yahoo, Microsoft or Outlook, and Outlook also. So you can check for the, these are the record, outlook.com. Okay, but you don't know the IP address. Do you know the IP address? No. So you just copy this one and here you need to write the NS lookup, paste and hit enter. So this is the IP address. So these are the process happened behind the server to server when they are sending the message. So delivery record, MX server, MX record, and one more report are exist. It is called non-delivery report. Non-delivery report actually type of the report when you are sending the message and message will not delivered or message is not reached on the destination and there is some problem in between. So if the problem is exist and message is not delivered, then there is a One message you will receive like non-delivery report, like this email, sir, this email ID does not exist or something, any type of. Okay. So now the question is, all the server to server mail delivery happened, but what connection has been used between the email clients and the SMTP server? Because generally, you know, SMTP server is using the port number 25 and using the unsecure channel. Unsecure channel means anybody can intercept your data and read the message. So for this connection should be secure. So if you want to secure this encryption or secure this communication, then you will have to use two protocols. One is a start TLS, another is a SMTP. So as its name is a start TLS, TLS we have discussed yesterday. TLS means transport layer security. Okay, and start means do the starting. So how does it possible? Like your email client means this is your app you have, and your app is going to be connected with the SMTP server. So start LS means it will try first time make the connection unencrypted. Then it will request कि I want to start the data over the TLS. I want to start the data over TLS. So it will say start the connection over the TLS, means this connection should be over the secure channel. So if the SMTP is able to do all these things, so it will upgrade your unsecure channel into the secure channel. Means it will send the request command कि please upgrade the communication over the TLS. So it will upgrade your connection if the facility available on the SMTP. If not available, then it will say no, you will have to use the unencrypted channel. This is called start TLS. But there is another type of the connection which is called SMTPS. S means secure. S means secure. When they are making the connection between the server and the client, so in the starting means there is a starting. From the beginning the connection will be secure. That's it. There is no any type of the command, no any type of the request कि please move my unencrypted channel on the encrypted. So there is no any type of the request. SMTPC have the secure connection from the beginning. Okay. So let's talk about the port number. Which port number used by the SMTP? Port number TCP25 for the message relay between the SMTP servers. Means server to server they are using the SMTP port number. Or it is called message transfer agent. This is the agent. Agent means which help one server to another server transferring the mails or messages. There is another port number 5867 are used. This is used by the message submission agent. So who is messaging submitted? Like this is the SMTP server. So you cannot directly submit the message to the SMTP. You will use the client, email clients. Then you will write the message, your mail. Then you will submit the button or send. When you click on the send, in the background there is a MSA will work. MSA. And what MSA will do? MSA will submit your mail or message to the SMTP. Then here SMTP to SMTP, the MTA will work. So here is MSA, here is MTA. Okay. And different port number are using, and port number 465 is a alternative port for the message submission over the implicit TLS or the SMTPS. Means if the MSA is working for submission the message on the secure channel, then it will be use the port number 465. You will have to remember this port number, it will be better. So what are the protocol to accessing the mail inside your mailbox? Means if you are the client, you are using the web browser, like this is the SMTP server, and here your email client. Email clients means Thunderbird email, or you are using the Gmail to accessing your emails. So there is a two protocol is working. One is a post office protocol and another is a IMAP. This protocol is working when you are using the email clients like Thunderbird email client. Have you heard about this? Thunderbird email, and also Gmail in your mobile phone, or the Outlook. These are the email clients. So when the message coming from the SMTP to your emails, means your email client or your inbox, so there is a two protocol are working. One protocol is post office protocol, another is a internet message access protocol, IMAP. Okay, so both the different they are working. So post office email allow client to retrieve the message from the mailbox server. Means POP post office protocol, as it's the post office means all your mails, your chitti, your letter come to the post office, then it will be delivered to your home. Okay, that is the work of the post office. Similarly, post office will work when you are using email client in a local computer. So all the message will be delivered on your local computer. Okay, but in a IMAP, all the messages will not deliver on your email box. They will always remain on the client email server. Always remain there. You can remotely access them. Means when you will delete any message, it will be removed from the client mail server. But in a POP, when you delete any message, it will not delete from the client, it will be delete on the local server. Okay, that is the main difference between the IMAP and the POP. So you can remotely access your mail server, clients, mail folders, and you can manage. Manage means you can delete, you can archive, or whatever you want with your email address, email messages you can do remotely. But it will be do on a local computer. You cannot do locally, you cannot delete any message from the client email server, because all the mail will be delivered in your post office protocol. So what are the protocol used? TCP 110 when the unsecure channel, TCP 143 for why the IMAP, and it is unsecure channel. For the secure channel, using the TCP port number 995, and here using the TCP port number 993. Okay, this is all about the accessing your mail through the email clients.